Hey guys, so this is the banana craze pudding, and inside of the banana craze pudding we have a layer of vanilla wafers at the bottom. Then we have the banana cake that I put on top. Then we have the actual banana pudding, and then after that it goes again vanilla wafers, the banana cake, and then the banana pudding, and then it goes again vanilla wafers, the pudding, the whipped cream, and then you have the crumbs. So yeah, so this is just me showing. I already did my Facebook Live because I already have a fan base there on Facebook, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. And it's so delicious. OMG, OMG, OMG. And what's crazy is this is my first time making it. So that's why I feel so good about it. Seriously. And if you guys can check out me and my husband's YouTube channel, it's at Q and J All Day Cooking. That's the YouTube channel that we started. It's like a cooking channel. Even though we haven't posted a lot of videos, I still have more to post. But if you guys can please check it out and subscribe, I'll definitely appreciate that. Thank you, guys. And last night, I made some empanadas, homemade empanadas, which I'm about to heat up right now. Listen, guys, it tastes good. It has beef and cheese in it. And inside the filling, so like these ones, these are the baked ones. So I have fried ones and baked ones. These are the baked ones, but they taste so delicious. So delicious, so delicious. OMG. Yeah. So it was baked and fried ones, but anyway. Yeah, so we are over here cooking and starting a cooking channel. We haven't really made a lot of videos, but it's soon to come, soon to come. So that's basically what I've been up to. Thanks for watching. I'll come back later and talk to you guys maybe either tonight or tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.